Hi there, students. Rapt. Okay, if you are rapt, this is an adjective which means you are so interested in something that you don't notice anything else around you. I was so rapt by the beauty of her smile that I didn't see her husband coming up behind me. The students listened to me with rapt attention. There was a rapt expression on his face. This is, you are completely carried away. Your mind has been taken away. You are enraptured, if you like. So if somebody watches or listens with rapt attention, they are really fascinated. They are really interested. So I hope you will listen with rapt attention to my words on this adjective. He held his audience rapt. The children sat in rapt silence as the magician did more and more tricks. Everybody was watching me with rapt attention. One of the things I love doing is playing Father Christmas, because you come into the room and the kids believe that you've arrived from heaven on a magic sleigh with presents for all of them, and they're all rapt, staring at you. Okay, so rapt, entranced, spellbound, enthralled. Okay, they listened to me raptly. Everybody was listening to me raptly, telling my interesting stories. Rapt with wonder, a rapt smile on his face. Okay, so literally enraptured. Now, the old meaning of rapt, but we don't use it like this anymore, means snatched away, carried away, abducted, or lifted up into the air. The the eagle wrapped the rabbit from the ground. But now it's rapt attention with rapt amazement, where you're transfixed, you're absolutely fascinated by something. So the children watched in rapt attention. Okay, so you are completely involved in something. Now notice, rapt. This sounds the same as rapped. He rapped on the door, but that's R-A-P-P-E-D. Or the rapper rapped. Yeah? Or also, it also sounds the same as I got a present and I wrapped the present in a very nice piece of paper. W-R-A-P-P-E-D. No, this is R-A-P-T. Okay, so rapt, enthusiastic, rapt. I was rapt, deeply moved, deeply engrossed in the film. I was rapt by the interesting plot of this film. I was enraptured. Yeah, the kids looked at me in rapt admiration. Okay, so deeply absorbed, deeply engrossed. You could be rapt in thought about a problem that you've got, rapt with wonder and amazement, spellbound, as if through just held by the emotion of it. The two lovers looked raptly into each other's eyes. Yeah, this is from a rapture where you are transported with emotion. Yeah, a rapt listener is deeply engrossed in what they're listening to. A rapt smile expresses that their mind is all totally in concentration. They are unbelievably happy. So absorbed, completely fascinated. A rapt audience of teenagers listen to their pop idol. The audience listened to my speech with rapt attention, a state of fascination. They're engrossed, they're completely lost, yeah, or filled with intense pleasurable emotion, rapt, enraptured, just spellbound, captivated. She shut her eyes and kissed him, rapt with desire, rapt with love for him. Okay, so rapt. Okay, this. Let's see, formality. Let's see, this sounds a little bit literary. I'm going to give it a 6.5, 6 in formality, using the semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And as to origin, it comes from Latin, raptus, which is the past participle of rapio, to seize, to take. So you're rapt, you're snatched and taken into the air. So, rapt.